Manhattan Warehouse Management System. Real-time online training. Before getting into Manhattan WMS, let's understand what is a warehouse management system and why is it an absolute necessity in today's fast-changing world. A warehouse management system is a software application that helps organizations effectively manage and control their warehouse operations. It serves as a central platform for overseeing the movement and storage of goods within a warehouse or distribution center. WMS provides functionalities such as inventory tracking, order management, picking and packing optimization, receiving and shipping processes, and real-time monitoring of warehouse activities. By automating and streamlining these processes, WMS enhances operational efficiency, reduces errors, and improves inventory accuracy. Key features of a WMS may include barcode scanning, RFID technology integration, batch and expiry date management, slotting optimization, labor management, and integration with other enterprise systems like ERP and transportation management systems. In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, characterized by globalization, e-commerce proliferation, and heightened customer expectations, a robust warehouse management system has become an indispensable tool for organizations striving to stay competitive and agile. One of the primary reasons a robust WMS is a necessity is the escalating complexity of supply chains. With supply chains becoming increasingly intricate, involving multiple suppliers, distribution channels, and global logistics networks, organizations need advanced systems to effectively manage and orchestrate their warehouse operations. A robust WMS provides the necessary visibility and control over inventory movements, allowing businesses to optimize their storage space, streamline order fulfillment processes, and ensure timely delivery to customers. The rise of e-commerce has transformed consumer behavior, leading to a surge in online orders and higher demand for faster, more accurate fulfillment. In this digital age, where customers expect seamless shopping experiences and speedy deliveries, businesses must rely on WMS functionalities such as real-time inventory tracking, automated order processing, and efficient picking and packing processes to meet these expectations. A robust WMS enables organizations to fulfill orders accurately and rapidly, thereby enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. Furthermore, the competitive landscape in today's market demands operational excellence and cost efficiency. Organizations are under constant pressure to optimize their warehouse operations, minimize overhead costs, and maximize productivity. A robust WMS offers features such as labor management, slotting optimization, and resource allocation tools, enabling businesses to streamline their workflows, reduce operational inefficiencies, and achieve higher levels of productivity and profitability. Additionally, regulatory compliance and industry standards continue to evolve, necessitating robust WMS solutions to ensure adherence to regulations and best practices. Whether it's compliance with food safety regulations, pharmaceutical storage requirements, or hazardous materials handling protocols, organizations must rely on WMS functionalities such as batch and expiry date management, temperature control, and traceability to maintain regulatory compliance and mitigate risks. The increasing emphasis on sustainability and environmental responsibility requires organizations to adopt WMS solutions that support eco-friendly practices. By optimizing inventory management, reducing transportation emissions, and minimizing waste through better inventory tracking and forecasting, a robust WMS can contribute to sustainability goals and corporate social responsibility initiatives. In conclusion, in today's dynamic and competitive business environment, a robust warehouse management system is not just a convenience but a necessity. It empowers organizations to navigate complexities, meet customer demands, drive operational efficiency, ensure compliance, and contribute to sustainability efforts, thereby positioning them for success in the modern world of commerce. Manhattan Warehouse Management System is a comprehensive software solution designed to optimize and streamline warehouse operations. It offers functionalities to manage every aspect of warehouse activities, including inventory management, order fulfillment, receiving, picking, packing, shipping, and more. At its core, Manhattan WMS provides real-time visibility into inventory levels and location, enabling efficient stock management and replenishment. It utilizes advanced algorithms to optimize warehouse layout and picking routes, reducing travel time and increasing productivity. Additionally, it offers features such as wave planning, slotting optimization, and labor management to further enhance operational efficiency. What is the difference between on-premise and cloud version? The on-premise version of Manhattan Warehouse Management System refers to the traditional deployment model where the software is installed and operated on the customer's servers and infrastructure within their premises. In contrast, the cloud version is called Manhattan Active WMS. Manhattan Associates hosts and maintains it on its cloud infrastructure, with customers accessing the software remotely over the internet. The choice between on-premise and cloud versions of Manhattan WMS depends on factors such as budget, IT resources, scalability requirements, and preference for ownership versus infrastructure management outsourcing. Here are some key differences between the on-premise and active versions of Manhattan WMS. Deployment. On-premise WMS requires customers to purchase and maintain their own hardware, servers, and networking infrastructure to host the software. Active WMS, on the other hand, eliminates the need for customers to manage hardware and infrastructure, as the software is hosted and managed by Manhattan Associates in their cloud environment. Maintenance and updates. With on-premise WMS, customers are responsible for managing software updates, patches, and maintenance tasks, which can be time-consuming and require dedicated IT resources. Active WMS providers like Manhattan Associates handle maintenance and updates, ensuring that customers always have access to the latest features and enhancements without the need for manual intervention. Accessibility. Active WMS offers greater accessibility since users can access the software from anywhere with an internet connection. On-premise WMS may require users to be physically present in the office or connected to the company's network to access the software. Scalability. Active WMS offers greater scalability compared to on-premise WMS. Customers can easily scale up or down their usage based on demand without the need for significant infrastructure investments or upgrades. Cost. On-premise WMS typically requires upfront capital investment in hardware, software licenses, and ongoing maintenance costs. Active WMS, on the other hand, is usually offered on a subscription basis, with customers paying a recurring fee for access to the software and services. While the upfront costs of on-premise WMS may be higher, cloud WMS can offer a lower total cost of ownership (TCO) over the long term due to reduced infrastructure and maintenance costs. Both Manhattan Warehouse Management System and Manhattan Active Warehouse Management System offer a wide range of features designed to optimize warehouse operations and improve efficiency. Key features of Manhattan WMS. Inventory management provides real-time visibility into inventory levels, locations, and status, enabling accurate stock management and replenishment. Order fulfillment streamlines the order fulfillment process from order capture to shipment, optimizing picking, packing, and shipping operations for maximum efficiency. Receiving facilitates the efficient receipt of goods into the warehouse, including advanced receiving workflows, put-away strategies, and quality control processes. Picking and packing offers advanced picking methodologies such as wave picking, zone picking, and batch picking, along with packing optimization to minimize errors and maximize throughput. Shipping manages shipping processes, including carrier selection, labeling, and documentation generation, to ensure timely and accurate delivery of orders to customers. Warehouse optimization utilizes algorithms and optimization tools to optimize warehouse layout, slotting, and picking routes, reducing travel time and maximizing storage capacity. Labor management tracks and optimizes labor productivity through performance metrics, workload balancing, and incentive programs, improving overall workforce efficiency. Reporting and analytics provides comprehensive reporting and analytics capabilities to monitor warehouse performance, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions to improve operations. Key features of Manhattan Active WMS. Cloud-native architecture. Built on a cloud-native architecture with microservices, enabling greater scalability, flexibility, and agility compared to traditional on-premise solutions. Continuous updates. Offers continuous updates and enhancements delivered seamlessly through the cloud, ensuring that customers always have access to the latest features and improvements. Modern user experience. Features a modern, intuitive user interface designed to improve usability and productivity, with support for mobile devices and role-based access control. Scalability provides greater scalability compared to on-premise solutions, allowing customers to scale up or down their usage based on demand without the need for significant infrastructure investments. Integration offers out-of-the-box integrations with other cloud-based solutions and modern APIs, facilitating seamless connectivity with third-party systems such as ERP, CRM, and e-commerce platforms. Subscription model typically offered on a subscription basis, with customers paying a recurring fee for access to the software and ongoing support, eliminating the need for upfront capital investment in hardware and software licenses. Overall, both Manhattan WMS and Manhattan Active WMS are powerful solutions designed to meet the evolving needs of modern warehouse, with Manhattan Active WMS offering additional benefits such as cloud-native architecture, continuous updates, and greater scalability. Industries using Manhattan WMS. Manhattan Warehouse Management System is utilized across a wide range of industries that require efficient management of warehouse operations and inventory. Some of the key industries that commonly use Manhattan WMS include retail. Retailers rely on Manhattan WMS to manage inventory across multiple distribution centers and stores, optimize order fulfillment processes, and ensure timely delivery to customers. Consumer goods. Manufacturers and distributors of consumer goods use Manhattan WMS to streamline warehouse operations, improve inventory accuracy, and meet the demands of retailers and consumers. Logistics and transportation. Logistics companies and transportation providers leverage Manhattan WMS to manage inventory in transit, optimize transportation routes, and coordinate warehouse activities with transportation operations. Food and beverage. Food and beverage companies use Manhattan WMS to ensure compliance with food safety regulations, manage perishable inventory, and optimize storage and picking processes to meet stringent delivery schedules. Healthcare and pharmaceuticals. Healthcare providers, pharmaceutical manufacturers, and distributors utilize Manhattan WMS to manage pharmaceutical inventory, track expiration dates, and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. Automotive. Automotive manufacturers, suppliers, and aftermarket retailers use Manhattan WMS to manage complex supply chains, track parts and components, and optimize inventory levels to support production and aftermarket sales. Wholesale and distribution. Wholesale distributors and distributors across various industries rely on Manhattan WMS to manage inventory across multiple warehouses, optimize order processing, and improve customer service levels. E-commerce. E-commerce retailers and fulfillment centers use Manhattan WMS to manage high volumes of orders, optimize order picking and packing processes, and ensure fast and accurate order fulfillment to meet customer expectations. These are just a few examples of industries that benefit from the use of Manhattan WMS. Its flexibility, scalability, and robust feature set make it suitable for a wide range of businesses across different sectors looking to optimize their warehouse operations and improve efficiency. Now let's take a look at some organizations that use Manhattan WMS. Several prominent organizations across various industries rely on Manhattan Warehouse Management System to optimize their warehouse operations and improve efficiency. Here's how some of these companies utilize Manhattan WMS. 7-Eleven. As a global convenience store chain, 7-Eleven utilizes Manhattan WMS to manage inventory across its distribution centers and streamline order fulfillment processes. By leveraging Manhattan WMS, 7-Eleven ensures that its stores are stocked with the right products at the right time to meet customer demand. General Motors, one of the world's largest automotive manufacturers, relies on Manhattan WMS to manage the complex supply chain of automotive parts and components. By implementing Manhattan WMS, General Motors optimizes inventory management, reduces lead times, and enhances overall operational efficiency in its warehouse. Ahold USA, the leading food retail company operating grocery stores under various banners, utilizes Manhattan WMS to manage inventory, improve order accuracy, and optimize distribution processes. Manhattan WMS helps Ahold USA ensure that its stores are well stocked with fresh produce and other goods to meet customer needs. AmResourceBergen Corp., the pharmaceutical distribution company, relies on Manhattan WMS to manage the distribution of pharmaceutical products to pharmacies, healthcare providers, and patients. Manhattan WMS enables AmResourceBergen to maintain strict regulatory compliance, track product expiration dates, and ensure timely delivery of medications. The Home Depot. As one of the largest home improvement retailers, the Home Depot utilizes Manhattan WMS to manage inventory in its distribution centers and streamline the replenishment of products to its retail stores. Manhattan WMS helps the Home Depot optimize inventory levels, reduce stockouts, and improve customer satisfaction. Infosys, a global leader in consulting, technology, and outsourcing services, provides implementation and support services for Manhattan WMS to its clients across various industries. Infosys leverages its expertise in supply chain management and technology to help organizations successfully deploy and maximize the benefits of Manhattan WMS. Albertsons, a major grocery retailer, uses Manhattan WMS to manage inventory across its distribution network and ensure efficient order fulfillment for its stores. Manhattan WMS enables Albertsons to optimize warehouse operations, reduce costs, and improve inventory accuracy to meet the needs of its customers. L'Oreal, a leading beauty and cosmetics company, utilizes Manhattan WMS to manage the distribution of its products to retailers and consumers worldwide. Manhattan WMS helps L'Oreal streamline warehouse operations, optimize order processing, and ensure timely delivery of its beauty products. Brambles, a global supply chain logistics company, leverages Manhattan WMS to optimize warehouse operations and improve efficiency in managing pallets and containers across its network. Manhattan WMS enables Brambles to track inventory movements, optimize storage space, and enhance overall supply chain visibility. Wipro, the multinational IT consulting and outsourcing company, provides implementation, integration, and support services for Manhattan WMS to its clients in various industries. Wipro leverages its expertise in supply chain management and technology to help organizations successfully deploy and maximize the value of Manhattan WMS. These organizations represent a diverse range of industries and demonstrate the versatility and effectiveness of Manhattan WMS in optimizing warehouse operations and driving business success. Let's take a look at the course content of the Manhattan WMS online training provided by us. Module 1: Architecture, Integration, and Interfaces. WM Tool Architecture. Provide an overview of the underlying technical architecture of the Manhattan WMS system, including the different components and how they interact. Different interfaces. Explain the various interfaces available for integrating the Manhattan WMS with other systems, such as ERP, transportation management, and financial systems. Integration between WMS and other systems. Discuss the key integration points and best practices for seamlessly connecting the Manhattan WMS with other enterprise applications. Module 2: Receiving, Appointment Schedule. Explain the purpose and functionality of the receiving appointment scheduling feature, including how users can manage and optimize the receiving process. Discuss the various configurations and settings that can be used to create and manage receiving appointments. Highlight the benefits of using a structured receiving appointment schedule, such as improved dock utilization, reduced wait times, and enhanced visibility. Yard Management. Provide an overview of the yard management capabilities within the Manhattan WMS, including yard planning, trailer check-in check-out, and dock door assignments. Explain how the yard management module can be used to optimize the flow of trailers and containers, reduce dwell times, and improve overall yard efficiency. Pre-receiving. Describe the pre-receiving process, including how users can prepare for upcoming receipts and manage advanced shipping notices, ASNs. Receiving. ASN. Explain the functionality of the ASN processing feature, including how it can be used to automate and streamline the receiving process. Module 3: Put away and inbound processes. Put away inbound picks. Discuss the put away process, including how the system-directed put away feature can be used to optimize the placement of received items in the warehouse. Inbound rules. Explain the various inbound rules and configurations that can be used to control the movement and storage of received items. Module 4: Inventory Management, LPN Disposition. Describe the concept of license plate numbers, LPNs, and how they are used for inventory tracking and management. Cycle count. Explain the cycle counting functionality, including how it can be used to maintain accurate inventory levels and identify discrepancies. Physical count. Discuss the physical inventory counting process, including the tools and procedures used to conduct full physical counts. Module 5: Warehousing and Fulfillment. Waiving Location Wizard and Categories. Explain the Waiving Location Wizard and how it can be used to optimize the storage and retrieval of items based on predefined categories. Ship Waive Template. Describe the Ship Waive Template feature, which allows users to create and manage predefined waive templates for outbound shipments. Pick waive parameters. Discuss the pick wave parameters, including how they can be used to configure and optimize the picking process. Routing wave parameters. Explain the routing wave parameters, which are used to define the routes and sequences for the picking process. Pack and hold. Describe the pack and hold functionality, which allows users to temporarily hold and stage picked items before final packing and shipping. Run waves. Discuss the process of running waves, including how users can initiate and manage the different types of waves, e.g. pick waves, ship waves. Module 6. Picking and packing. Different types of picking. Provide an overview of the various picking methodologies supported by the Manhattan WMS, such as batch picking, zone picking, and wave picking. Packing and cubing. Explain the packing and cubing functionality, including how it can be used to optimize the packaging and shipment of items. Label printing. Discuss the label printing capabilities of the Manhattan WMS, including the different types of labels that can be generated, example, shipping labels, item labels. Module 7. Shipping. Shipment creation and loading. Describe the process of creating and managing shipments, including the integration with carrier systems and the loading of items onto vehicles. Carrier and ship via. Explain how users can configure and manage carrier and shipping method information within the Manhattan WMS. Ship confirm. Discuss the ship confirm functionality, which is used to finalize and confirm the shipment of items. Outbound picks. Describe the outbound pick, pack, and ship picks process, which encompasses the final steps of the fulfillment process. Someone who is knowledgeable in Manhattan WMS can expect to have a variety of responsibility. Let's take a look at these responsibilities. A Manhattan WMS, Warehouse Management System, implementation consultant plays a crucial role in the successful deployment of Manhattan WMS software solutions for clients across various industries. With a blend of technical expertise, project management skills, and client-facing abilities, these professionals guide organizations through the process of integrating and optimizing the Manhattan WMS platform to meet their specific business needs. One of the primary responsibilities of a Manhattan WMS implementation consultant is to lead the implementation process from start to finish. This involves conducting initial assessments of the client's warehouse operations and requirements, understanding their unique business processes, and recommending the most suitable configurations and workflows within the Manhattan WMS framework. By collaborating closely with clients, the consultant ensures that the implemented solution aligns with their operational objectives and strategic goals. Once the project scope is defined, the implementation consultant oversees the configuration and customization of the Manhattan WMS software to meet the client's specifications. This includes defining warehouse layouts, inventory management rules, picking and packing processes, and integration with other enterprise systems such as ERP enterprise resource planning software and transportation management systems. The consultant ensures that the system functions seamlessly and optimally in the client's environment through meticulous attention to detail and thorough testing procedures. In addition to technical tasks, Manhattan WMS implementation consultants serve as trusted advisors and liaisons between the client and the software vendor. They facilitate communication and collaboration among stakeholders, manage expectations, and address any concerns or challenges that may arise during the implementation process. Providing proactive support and guidance, they help clients navigate the complexities of transitioning to a new warehouse management system with minimal disruption to their operations. Another critical aspect of the role is to deliver comprehensive training and support to end users of the Manhattan WMS software. This involves conducting user training sessions, creating documentation and training materials, and providing ongoing assistance to ensure that users are proficient in utilizing the system effectively. By empowering clients with the knowledge and skills needed to leverage the full capabilities of the Manhattan WMS platform, implementation consultants enable them to maximize productivity, accuracy, and efficiency in their warehouse operations. A Manhattan WMS techno-functional consultant serves as a versatile bridge between technology and business needs, bringing together technical expertise with a deep understanding of warehouse operations and logistics. This multifaceted role encompasses both technical and functional aspects, encompassing a range of responsibilities aimed at delivering comprehensive solutions that optimize warehouse management processes. At its core, the role of a Manhattan WMS techno-functional consultant revolves around understanding and analyzing the client's business requirements, translating them into technical specifications, and configuring the Manhattan WMS software to address those needs effectively. This involves collaborating closely with stakeholders from various departments within the organization to gather requirements, identify pain points, and define key objectives for the WMS implementation project. From a technical standpoint, the techno-functional consultant is responsible for configuring and customizing the Manhattan WMS platform to align with the client's specific business processes and workflows. This may include setting up warehouse layout configurations, defining inventory management rules, configuring picking and packing processes, and integrating the WMS with other enterprise systems such as ERP Enterprise Resource Planning Software and Transportation Management Systems (TMS). By leveraging their technical expertise in Manhattan WMS architecture and functionality, the consultant ensures that the implemented solution meets the client's operational requirements and delivers tangible business value. In addition to technical tasks, the techno-functional consultant plays a pivotal role in providing functional guidance and support to the client throughout the implementation process. This involves conducting business process analysis, identifying opportunities for process improvement, and recommending best practices for leveraging the capabilities of the Manhattan WMS software to optimize warehouse operations. By understanding the client's business goals and operational challenges, the consultant helps streamline workflows, enhance productivity, and drive efficiencies across the warehouse environment. The techno-functional consultant serves as a key liaison between the client and the Manhattan WMS vendor, facilitating communication, managing expectations, and resolving any issues or concerns that may arise during the implementation process. They act as trusted advisors, offering insights and recommendations based on their expertise in both technology and warehouse management practices, and ensuring that the implemented solution aligns with the client's strategic objectives. Overall, the role of a Manhattan WMS techno-functional consultant requires a unique blend of technical proficiency, functional expertise, and strong communication skills. By effectively bridging the gap between technology and business requirements, these consultants play a critical role in delivering tailored solutions that enable clients to optimize their warehouse operations, improve efficiency, and achieve their business objectives. The Manhattan WMS tester plays a critical role in ensuring the quality and reliability of the Manhattan WMS software by conducting comprehensive testing procedures throughout the implementation lifecycle. This role is instrumental in identifying and resolving any defects or issues in the system, thereby ensuring a smooth and successful deployment for clients across various industries. The primary responsibility of a Manhattan WMS tester is to develop and execute test plans, test cases, and test scripts to validate the functionality, performance, and reliability of the Manhattan WMS software. This involves collaborating closely with project stakeholders, including business analysts, developers, and end users, to understand the requirements and specifications of the WMS implementation project. One key aspect of the tester's role is to conduct functional testing to verify that the Manhattan WMS software meets the client's business requirements and performs as expected. This includes testing various aspects of the system, such as inventory management, order processing, picking and packing, and shipping, to ensure that all functionalities are working correctly and efficiently. Manhattan WMS testers are also responsible for conducting integration testing to validate the seamless integration of the WMS with other enterprise systems, such as ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, software, TMS, Transportation Management System, and warehouse automation systems. This ensures that data flows smoothly between different systems and that there are no compatibility issues that could impact the overall performance of the WMS. Another critical aspect of the tester's role is to perform performance testing to assess the scalability and reliability of the Manhattan WMS software under various load conditions. This involves simulating real-world usage scenarios and analyzing system performance metrics to identify any bottlenecks or areas for optimization. Furthermore, Manhattan WMS testers are responsible for conducting regression testing to ensure that software updates, patches, or configuration changes do not introduce any unintended side effects or regressions in the system. This involves retesting previously validated functionalities to verify that they continue to work as expected after changes have been made. Throughout the testing process, Manhattan WMS testers meticulously document test results, defects, and issues, and communicate findings to project stakeholders in a clear and concise manner. They work closely with developers to troubleshoot and resolve any identified issues, ensuring that the Manhattan WMS software meets the highest standards of quality and reliability before deployment to production environments. Overall, Manhattan WMS testers play a crucial role in the implementation process by providing assurance that the Manhattan WMS software meets the client's requirements and delivers a seamless and reliable user experience. Their meticulous testing efforts help minimize risks, optimize performance, and ensure the success of WMS implementation projects for clients across various industries. At ProExcellency, we believe in unleashing the full potential of individuals and organizations through transformative training programs tailored to your specific needs. With a track record of providing top-notch training services to reputable companies like Robert Bosch, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, Biocon, Flowserve, and many more, we have established ourselves as a trusted partner in professional development. Our success lies in our commitment to excellence, innovation, and customer satisfaction. Here's why you can trust in our expertise. With years of experience under our belt, we understand the unique challenges and requirements of different industries. Whether you're in technology, healthcare, manufacturing, or any other sector, our team of experts can design customized training solutions to address your specific needs. At ProExcellency, we believe that the quality of training largely depends on the expertise of the trainers. That's why we handpick industry professionals and subject matter experts who not only have in-depth knowledge but also possess excellent teaching skills. Our trainers are passionate about sharing their knowledge and empowering individuals to excel in their respective fields. We understand that one size doesn't fit all when it comes to training. That's why we work closely with our clients to understand their unique goals, challenges, and organizational culture. Based on this understanding, we design customized training programs that align with your objectives and deliver tangible results. In today's fast-paced world, staying ahead of the curve is essential for success. That's why we constantly update our training content to reflect the latest industry trends, best practices, and technological advancements. Whether it's IT skills, leadership development, project management, or soft skills training, you can trust us to provide up-to-date and relevant content that equips you with the knowledge and skills needed to thrive in your career. Gone are the days of boring, lecture-style training sessions. At ProExcellency, we believe in making learning engaging, interactive, and fun. Our training programs incorporate a variety of learning methods such as case studies, group discussions, role plays, simulations, and hands-on exercises to keep participants actively engaged and facilitate better retention of knowledge. We believe in the power of data-driven decision-making. That's why we provide robust assessment mechanisms to measure the effectiveness of our training programs. Whether it's pre- and post-training assessments, feedback surveys, or performance evaluations, we ensure that you have clear metrics to gauge the impact of our training initiatives on your organization's bottom line. At ProExcellency, client satisfaction is our top priority. We take pride in building long-lasting relationships with our clients based on trust, transparency, and integrity. Our dedicated account managers work closely with you every step of the way to ensure that your training needs are met and exceeded. Don't just take our word for it, our roster of satisfied clients speaks volumes about the quality of our services. In today's competitive landscape, investing in the development of your workforce is more important than ever. With ProExcellency as your training partner, you can unlock the full potential of your team, drive organizational growth, and stay ahead of the competition. Join hands with us and experience the difference that expert training can make. Why choose ProExcellency for Manhattan WMS training? ProExcellency is the premier choice for individuals and organizations looking to learn the Manhattan WMS system through comprehensive online training. Here's why. Real-time online training. Our training is conducted in a live, interactive online environment, allowing you to learn from the comfort of your own home or office. This flexible format ensures you can fit the training into your schedule without the need for travel. Industry experts as trainers. Our Manhattan WMS training is delivered by seasoned professionals with extensive experience in the industry. These experts provide in-depth knowledge and practical insights to ensure you gain a deep understanding of the system. Extensive experience. ProExcellency has successfully completed over 50 training batches, catering to participants not only from India but also from countries like Canada, the USA, the UK, Australia, Germany, and more. This vast experience allows us to deliver training of the highest quality. Satisfied customers. Our training has consistently received excellent feedback from our customers, who appreciate the comprehensive curriculum, knowledgeable instructors, and the practical value the training provides. Comprehensive curriculum. Our Manhattan WMS online training covers all the essential modules and functionalities in depth, ensuring you receive a well-rounded education that prepares you for real-world implementation. Diverse client base. ProExcellency has worked with numerous corporate clients, including several high-end organizations, further demonstrating our expertise and the trust placed in us by industry leaders. By choosing ProExcellency for your Manhattan WMS training, you can be confident that you will receive a comprehensive, hands-on learning experience delivered by industry experts. Invest in your professional development and choose ProExcellency for your Manhattan WMS training needs. At ProExcellency, we believe that communication is key to building strong partnerships and delivering exceptional results. That's why we are always available to listen to your feedback, address any concerns, and ensure that your experience with us is nothing short of outstanding. So what are you waiting for? Get in touch with us today and discover how ProExcellency can help you unlock your full potential. Together, we'll pave the way for success and excellence in online training. Ready to explore the wide range of training programs offered by ProExcellency? Head over to our website to take a closer look at the diverse array of courses available.